Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if Excel is opening and it is crashing automatically on your system, then in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. So it's fixing this issue is very easy. Just open add or remove program, open that up and simply go search here office, and if it not showing up here then you can search here simply 365, and if it is still not showing that you can type here MS Office and you should able to see this option. Choose that option and simply click on modify and then click on quick repair. If quick repair is not working, then click on online repair and then repair it, and simply your issue will be fixed. Just restart your Windows and I'm pretty sure your issue will be fixed and that file should be working fine. If particular file is not working, then you need to check that file. It's open its properties and go to security tab and make sure you have proper full permission to open it. If you don't have the permission, just click on edit, click on add and click on more choice, click on find and choose your username from here. Even you can choose everyone, then click on OK, then click on OK, give full permission to it, apply it, OK it, and then click on OK, and thereafter open it. And you should good to go and it should be opening working fine. So this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.